With the continuous development of the times, building decorative materials are constantly being updated. At present, the most popular material is none other than flexible stone. However, there are a variety of flexible stones on the market, and the quality varies. So, how to identify these products? How to distinguish between the good and the bad? Today we came to Naidun Flexible Stone Industrial Park. We invited professional product manager to answer our questions one by one. Follow me. This is the Naidun Flexible Stone Factory. This is their showroom. Today, I am very happy to invite the product manager of Naidun, Mr. Lee. Hello, Mr. Lee.
Hello.
Today I am here with many questions from consumers in the market, as well as many products in the same industry. Need Mr. Lee to teach us.
Okay, no problem. Indeed, currently in the flexible stone industry, the quality varies greatly. Today we have prepared various tests to verify the quality. Now let's move to the laboratory.
Well, we are now in the product laboratory of Naidun. Then Mr. Lee will conduct a series of product tests.
Okay, no problem. Today, we have prepared some samples from same industry in the lab. We will test these samples in several steps. Step 1, touch. Step 2, bend. Step 3, smell. Step 4, look. Through these simple tests, you can make a comparison. Okay, let's start with the first step, touch. First, touch this product. It has a phenomenon of accelerator. Take a look. There is dross on the surface. Then touch the product of Naidun. It has no phenomenon of accelerator. Step 2. By smelling we judge the quality of products. This product has a sour odor. If there is such a smell, it is because it has added some chemical ingredients. Let's smell this one. This product has a distinct smell of glue. If the glue content is too high, it will not achieve the fire retardant effect. Now smell the product of Naidun. It has no peculiar smell, just the smell of natural stone powder. Let's move on to step 3, break. First, let us look at this product in the case of its own weight. Like this. It usually has a lot of glue. This product is the same, and it has a strong pungent smell. Its formaldehyde content must be excessive. Then let us look at this one. In the case of its own weight, it has no deformation. Let's break it. After breaking it, some debris fall off. It's cemented. If used outdoors, cement will react with alkali, and its weather resistance will be poor. Then let's look at the product of Naidun. First of all, the small sample has a certain plasticity. For regular sizes, it can wrap cylinders with a minimum diameter of 30 cm. Now let's proceed to step 4, look. About looking, it has mainly for 3D printing mode. 3D printing model, we judge by the degree of coloring and texture clarity. The degree of coloring mainly depends on the ink used. Ink is divided into water-based and oil-based. Oil-based ink is mainly used for ceramics. It will have a rather pungent odor. It is blended through high-temperature firing. Water-based ink can perfectly blend with products at low temperatures. Let's look at this product. First of all, the adherence of this product is not very good. Scratch it and the color on the surface falls off. Then look at this one. This one is quite blurry overall. The clarity is not very high. Finally, let us come to the product of Naidun. First of all, its adherence is very strong. No scratches. And its texture clarity. Its gray and white alternation is relatively clear. Above, we have verified various aspects through this series of tests. Next, in the actual use scenario, under the condition of high temperature, high humidity and high volatility, We will further test the quality of the products